Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable developer options on your Android device. So let's start. First, open settings on your Android device. Now scroll down to the bottom. And here you will see developer options. Tap on that. Here you will see that it is enabled. Now you have to turn it off. And that's how you can turn off or disable developer options on your Android device. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.